Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to download and install SoftEther VPN on Windows 10 11th. Open Google Chrome, search for SoftEther, click Download, then Client and Windows. Select the file, it'll download. Open the APK file, click Next, then Yes. Choose VPN client, select what you need, click Next, accept the license, and continue. Pick where to install, you can choose here too. Extra options are available, but we don't need them. Click Next, then the installation begins. After it's done, check Launch Client. That's it. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.